Hello! In this video, I will be guiding you through how to request a downgrade of a Google Workspace plan using the admin console so you can reduce costs while managing features. So first, you will have to go to admin.google.com and then you will have to sign in with your administrator account. So you have to make sure that you do have that account before proceeding to the next steps. Then you will go to the billing feature and then you will click subscriptions and click your workspace subscription. Then you will have to click Manage Subscription or the three-dot menu. Then go ahead and click Change Plan. Show the subscription card and Manage menu. And after that, review the plan comparison dialog. Note feature differences, storage, advanced security, tools, and any licensing counts. Then you will choose the desired lower tier plan and follow prompts to confirm changes. Google will show proration details and effective date. And finally, communicate with users about change limits, storage quotas, downgraded features, and so on. Export any data needed and monitor billing to confirm proration. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and I really hope that this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.